In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email address from the Gmail login screen. Whether you're on a shared computer or simply want to tidy up your login options, knowing how to manage your saved email addresses can be quite useful. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to either the Google homepage or directly to Gmail. This is where you can start the process of managing your accounts. Once you're there, cast your eyes toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see either your profile picture or perhaps your initial if you haven't set a picture. Click on that icon to proceed. Upon clicking your profile or initial, you'll be presented with a few options. If you're signed into multiple accounts, you'll notice an option to sign out of all accounts. It's important to note that this option will only be visible if you're logged into more than one Google account. If you're only signed into a single account, just go ahead and sign out of that one. Once you've signed out, you will be redirected to the sign-in page. Here, you'll see the Choose an Account screen, which displays all the accounts that your browser remembers. This is where the management of these accounts happens. Now look towards the bottom of this list. You'll find an option that reads, Remove an Account. Go ahead and click it. At this point, you'll notice that a red circle, which looks like a minus sign, will appear next to each account name. This is your pathway to removing the unwanted accounts. Next, find the specific email address you want to remove and click the red circle next to it. This will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure about the removal. Confirming this action will permanently remove the email from the login list on this particular browser. After completing these steps, you'll see that the email address no longer appears as an option when you're logging in on this browser. It's a straightforward process, but also a helpful tip to control your online presence, especially in shared environments. Remember, this procedure only affects the browser you're using. If you're online elsewhere, you'll need to repeat these steps on those devices or browsers as well. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully removed an email address from the Gmail login screen, making your login process cleaner and more personalized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our tech tutorials for useful tips like this one.